How to create an expansion funnel chart in Excel. Expansion funnel chart data requirements. You need one column of categorical data to create an expansion funnel chart. Categorical data definition: it describes a characteristic or a category of data. It takes on values that are names or labels. Categorical data is also called qualitative data. You need one column of numerical data to create an expansion funnel chart. Numerical data definition: it is in the form of numbers and is numeric in nature. It can be counted or measured, and can be arranged in a logical order. Numerical data is also called quantitative data. In this video, we will construct an expansion funnel chart with two data columns as follows. One column containing categorical data. One column containing numerical data. Important: expansion funnel chart will only accept data in columns as shown in the image on the left. Click on the Add-ins button. Install ChartExpo add-in, enhance your charting experience with advanced charts. An add-in is software that adds new features into Microsoft Excel and Office 365. How to install ChartExpo video is available in iCard, located in top right corner. Video link is also provided in the description below. Please click on More. Once the ChartExpo add-in is installed, it should display an Office Add-ins box. Select the ChartExpo add-in and click on the Add button. Search for expansion funnel chart. Then select it. Select the data. Click on the Create Chart from Selection button. Expansion funnel chart is created successfully. Click on the Edit Chart button. Click on the Settings to set the background color. Click on the chart header pin to edit the properties. Then enter the header text. Make sure you have turned on Show Property before you click the Apply button. Click on the Chart Bar Properties pin to edit the properties. Click on the Bar section. You can change the color off bars. Click on the Area section. You can change the color of area. You can set the area opacity, outline opacity, and outline width. You can set the outline color. Click on the Stats section. You can show or hide stats. You can set the label position. Click on the Font Style section. You can set the font style. Click on the Axis Left Properties pin to edit the properties. Click on the Axis Line section. You can show or hide axis line. You can set the color. Click on the Tick section. You can set the color of ticks. Click on the Label Text section. You can show or hide label text. You can set the prefix and postfix. Click on the Font Style section. You can change the color. Click on the Axis Bottom Properties pin to edit the properties. Click on the Font Style section. You can set the font style. Click on the Save Changes button. Click on the Export Chart button to export chart in JPG, PNG, SVG, or PDF. Following versions of Excel are supported by ChartExpo. We appreciate your business, thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.